This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is August 17th, 2018. This one here, I got a no AC call. Well, AC is not working properly, so I'm on my way there now. See what's going on with it. Feel how hot that is?
Oh yeah, yeah.
This thing's dirty. I mean, guaranteed. That's why it's not working. Wait till I get it on and I'll show you how bad it is.
For sure.
I've seen some bad ones, but this thing might just take the cake. Look at that.
7 years. I had no clue.
Holy shit, guy. I mean, gotta get the hose going and I'll hose it off.
Right.
Look at it. I mean, that is terrible.
So all you need to do is hose it off?
Yeah.
It's easy. Nice.
Yeah, we'll give it a good hosing and we'll put it back together and then it'll cool. I mean, what's happening is it's trying to get rid of the heat,
yeah,
but it's blocked, so there's no way. Give me my bag.
Sure. I was going to put it right back on there.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's bad. Wow. So it's on?
So I got to go and turn the spigot.
Turn it on. We'll give it the old Gundy. That's bad. Woohoo! That's some bad. They ain't working for shit, guy. What's going on with that?
Huh?
Thing ain't working.
It's about 100 feet. Give it a second.
100 feet. I mean, it should be coming out. I mean, it's not. Unless the head's just junk. Has it worked before?
Last time I used it last summer.
Not working. Wow. I mean, that's bad. Look at this shit coming out of there. Wow. See how bad it was?
Yeah, yeah. I guess getting the unit soaked doesn't make any difference, huh?
Well, no, because what's happening when it runs, it's sucking in from the side, and all the dust is getting pulled in. That's really bad. Unbelievable. So the last AC guy didn't even take it apart. I mean, what did he do here? He just changed the filter inside?
Yeah, but it was a reusable filter that I clean up. I take it out, I vacuum it clean, and then I put it back in. He said that was the issue, and then he left.
Well, obviously he didn't clean the unit. I mean, that's bad. I've seen a lot of bad ones, but this might just take the cake.
Hey, I'm glad I won. Nice to win.
What did you win?
Just the fact that I'm number one. Sometimes you need some instruction. I don't really know anything about it. So now that I can actually see that it's that easy to clean it.
Well, you could do is you could hose it, you know, get in there and spray between the fins. I mean, it would help, you know.
Oh yeah.
You don't have to take the jacket off all the time, you know. All right, so I got it all hosed down good and rinsed off. I mean, the thing was choked. A lot better than it was, I'll tell you. I'm gonna give it a good hosing. Got a dryer vent over there. That's probably not helping it any. I'll get it back together and we'll fire it up. Check the charge. That was. Not bad right there. I mean, pressures look fine. They're not really. If anything, it's a little overcharged, but I'm not going to take anything out because the suction pressure is still kind of low. So I think we're going to keep it right there. I mean, it's going to run a lot better now.
What is the suction pressure?
Alright, I can hang on to the line now. It's just like a little warm. It's not really. I couldn't even touch it before. I knew it was dirty. The high level, high side. It's just flipping hot. It's going to work a lot better now. It's an 04. 2-ton. R22. Alright guys, I just left that job. I knew that thing was dirty. As soon as I put my hand on the liquid line and it was red hot, I said, oh yeah, that thing needs a good cleaning. They had another air conditioning guy go over there and he cleaned the filter inside, a washable filter in the furnace, and he didn't do nothing to the outside unit. I mean, so they called me over there, and you know, usually you walk up on something, you could tell just by feeling touch what's going on if you know what you're doing. I mean, you know you know how it should be running and the temperatures and suction line sweating, but that liquid line shouldn't be hot like that. I knew right off. As soon as I touched it, I knew it was a problem. And that was pretty bad. I mean, he took the cover off and that thing she was choked. That's what you call next level. Next level, mama. Next level. Give it a good hosing and get it back together. I mean, they were happy. Just didn't take me long. I was in and out of there within an hour, so it's a service call. It's no big deal.